Hi traders. Today I will discuss some construction companies that could benefit in Amaravati capital development in Andhra Pradesh new government. With Chandrababu Naidu back in power, the Amaravati capital development plan is once again in focus. The city development cost is expected to increase in land price and raw material cost for construction. As per TDP'S thrust on infrastructure development, we expect orders for the other core sectors like irrigation, roads and bridges, metros, and power projects. Companies that could benefit from the revival of Amaravati capital city and other infrastructure projects. First, NCC. NCC has a rich experience of more than 4 decades in the construction space with a track record of executing large and diverse projects. Building metros, roads, railways, electrical and mining. NCC will gain the projects from revival of Amaravati capital projects. Next one, L&T. A leading Indian infrastructure company having an ability to manage large and complex level of projects. Looking to be a primary beneficiary in Andhra Pradesh capital development. With pan-India presence and strong engineering competence, L&T is a preferred choice for large projects. Earlier, L&T won the contracts in the original Amaravati project plan. Next one, ITD cementation. ITD cementation is operating in India over the 9 decades. We know how foreign promoter Italian Thai Development Public Company will make ITD cementation is a preferred choice for smart city projects. ITD cementation is already executing a lot of projects in Andhra Pradesh and will bid for new projects in maritime structures, power, metro and water managements in which it has a strong domain knowledge and experience. And next one is KNR Construction. This is south-based infrastructure player. It will also important for Amaravati capital city and other infrastructure projects in Andhra. KNR is looking to aggressively add new orders to its depleting order book. It will bid for roads, flyovers, bridges and metro projects in which it has strong execution track record and expertise. Next one is NBCC. NBCC India provides project management consultancy services from concept to commissioning large government projects such as institutional, housing, industrial buildings, roads, airports, educational and judicial institutions. NBCC works on a self-sustaining model with no monetary support and funds generated through the commercial exploitation of existing assets. NBCC could benefit from the awarding some incomplete projects in the original Amaravati city development plan. Final summary is NCC, L&T, KNR Construction have the track record of executing several projects across the country and maintaining financial stability. Hence, long-term investors prefer to these companies in building Amaravati capital. Thank you.